Flagstone stripstone planter installed by Dad's Diversified and Patio and Home Improvement here in Denver, Colorado. I just wanted to walk you through a minute or two of our project here in Denver. We're installing about 56 linear feet of 4-inch stripstone Arizona buff flagstone. And we've stacked 2 strips high on top of a 4-inch concrete footer with 1/2-inch rebar. And we've cut in all of our joints on the top road and make a nice tight seam so the dirt stays in place. We'll fill the planter with a premium grade planter's mix